Welcome to another video. This is just a quick one that we thought we'd share with you. So we're currently camping at North Mandu in the Cape Range National Park on the Ningaloo coast, and we wanted to share this experience that we had a couple of nights ago where, as you can see here, there are some orca actually hunting a humpback whale calf.
Yeah, so we were down on the shore watching the sunset, and I thought I could hear some whale cries, like the sounds of a whale in distress. And upon checking out the horizon, noticed not just humpback whales splashing, but also some massive dorsal fins of some orca. And it was then that I realised that I wasn't going crazy, that in fact there was a hunt happening about 1 kilometre offshore, but right in front of where we all were on the beach.
So we quickly grabbed the drone and sent it up because we wanted to see what was going on, and as you can see here, the orca had actually managed to separate a calf from the humpback whales, and then proceeded to take that calf away. And
and the humpbacks, and you can see here the humpbacks proceeded to constantly try and fight back. So really trying to find both that calf but also the orca. And you saw in the very first clip of the video them actually chasing the orca, and you'll see it here again. They're really trying to locate that calf, but also trying to get the orca away. So it was such an interesting kind of. There were moments where it was like no one knew what was going on, the orca nor the humpbacks. But then there were these incredible moments where the humpbacks just, came out of the depths and really tried to chase and disperse those orca in an attempt to try and save that calf. You can see the calf in this video. It can be a bit distressing if any kids are watching, but certainly you can see here the calf is actually the size of some of these orca, and the dorsal fins of the orca were just huge. Even looking from shore, we couldn't believe how big these orca were. And it went on for about 20 minutes or so. We sent the drone backwards and forwards a few times because we were running out of battery. But the humpbacks did not give up. But the orca were relentless. And as you can see, there was no saving this humpback calf. But certainly the adult humpback, did not give up at all.
So much so that even into the evening after this had all gone for about 20-25 minutes or so, the two humpbacks were still hanging around in the same area. It appeared as though the orca had fully gone. They had left the area for the time being, but the humpbacks were still making their cries and looking around and sort of patrolling north and south trying to find the calf.
Yeah, and again the next morning as well.
Yeah,
it was quite a sad sight, obviously, to see, but I guess what an experience to see Mother Nature, the beast that is. You can see here some of those techniques that the humpbacks use, which is really cool. They're trying to almost body slam those orca to try and get them away, and we've since learned that the humpbacks will often try and
scare predators away.
Yeah, tail slap those orca. You can see there the humpbacks, and see here in the video, the humpbacks are trying to chase those orca, but they're just so agile, the orca. Such a predator. But yeah, definitely sad experience for these humpbacks who were clearly, trying their best, and obviously that's a calf, and quite distressing. The sounds were distressing as well from the whales. But yeah, it was such a, humbling experience, and just a reminder of just how incredible Mother Nature is, and such a chance encounter for us to be able to see it.
To see it straight off the shore, and then be able to send the drone up just to see it. So
yeah, we've shared the footage with the Department of Primary Industries, some rangers at the Discovery Centre, and they're going to perhaps share that with some researchers as well. But yeah, such a
incredible experience.
Incredible experience, absolutely.